Walla! Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
It's a beautiful city.
The whole city is surrounded by ancient city walls. About to start a little walk on the city walls. Let's do it. Ah. The whole city is surrounded by ancient city walls, which I think was the highlight of the trip for us. It was like packing a picnic. We would go to the grocery store, buy cheese and crackers and beverages.
Hanging out in the walls was one of my favorite parts of the trip.
Definitely. This is really cool. And there's nobody around. The whole thing to ourselves. There's a little puppy adventuring. I can see clearly. I'm not gonna walk off this wall. It's really easy to see things. Yay! Yay!
So the castle wall is broken into different segments.
Yeah, there's some pretty giant segments though.
Yeah. Is it four? 4 segments?
I have no idea. A number. That's all.
Bumbling.
What up, York walls?
York was really amazing.
And it held up to our expectations. Alright. This is really cool. Got that siren going on? That makes it even cooler. Do you want to keep adventuring a little more?
Oh, for sure.
Maybe get a box of wine like that. No?
I think that's a marvelous idea.
Maybe you don't need a full box of wine. That looks like a delightful little like coffee shop or something, eh?
Yeah.
The Perky Peacock.
Excellent location.
Yeah. So you want to show everybody where we walked just then? And along there. And then there. That's where we are right now.
Now, head back here.
Adventure time?
One thing I really loved about York was BrewDog. That was my introduction to BrewDog.
Yeah, BrewDog is a brew company that is all over the UK.
Because we went to one in York, which was our favorite one.
And we went to one in London as well, in Camden. Yeah. They all have beer from other BrewDog locations on tap. And yeah, we loved it.
Their competitiveness within their own chain creates some really amazing brews. Some of the best beer I've ever had.
I know it's mint chocolate, but what is it?
No idea.
What up, delicious mint chocolate beer? Oh my god.
What a ridiculously bitter beer that's just like me in bitterness, except this tastes better. Juniper berry and awesome. Oh. Yeah, it tastes when you're a kid and you eat the berries, and you're not supposed to eat the berries. But you like eating the berries, so you keep eating the berries, and then you die.
BrewDog is the best.
If you travel to anywhere with the BrewDogs and you see a BrewDogs,
Go there.
Go into a BrewDogs.
And tell them Bumblingtour sent you and they won't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Truth.
Pierre Elliott, that yo.
Yeah.
What up, spilt milk stout?
What up, tiramisu stout?
The one in York had an amazing tiny arcade with one of my favorite childhood games, the X-Men Walk to the Right and Beat People Up game. Oh my goodness. Oh, the nostalgia, the joy. Yeah, okay. I'll stop talking about that now.
Go and save the city.
Ninjas or more.
That's a lot of ninjas. We took some inspiration from another travel vlog couple called the Travel Beans.
Yeah, you should check them out. They're really awesome.
If you happen to watch these Travel Beans, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you very
much. They suggested that one of the best things is to get a cheeky beverage. It's not illegal to drink in public places in York, which is weird for us coming from Canada. It's not illegal to just go purchase a beverage and go sit on the city wall and enjoy it as the sun comes down in York, which we would highly, highly recommend if you're going to York. We're having some gin and tonic and cheese and crackers, like literally eating the cheese out of the package on the wall at night. It's a pretty good dinner, eh? What do you think? Whoa, that's right.
There's a way to do it.
Yeah, right.
Cracker on
Yeah, that's how you eat it.
Yeah.
Put a cracker on and you just take a bite.
Bloody brilliant.
What up, rhubarb and ginger gin drink?
Cheers, normal gin and tonic in a can. Yeah, we were sitting on the wall, and they say they close the wall at dusk. And the guy came along with the keys to lock the gate, and he's like, "You don't have to move, but just know this is the safe way to get down." And I think we're the only ones left up here, so we had our gin drinks and hanging out. We can just stay up here as long as we want. It's pretty amazing. It's a pretty magical moment. There is a castle on a weird mound. I'd like to go there, then go to sleep.
It's a good day.
Yeah, this city is absolutely amazing.
Yeah, had a lot of fun, especially exploring the wall.
Yeah, and having some gins on the wall and cheese.
Yeah.
And seeing an area where my grandma was born was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I guess that's it for now, and tomorrow we're gonna explore some more.
Yeah. So please like, subscribe, all of that noise.
Yeah, or thumbs up the screen, whatever you want.
Yeah, you'll see us tomorrow.
Being more
For us
bubbly.
tomorrow. For you, whenever we put up the next
in a
video.
week.
It's tricky
Take
to
luck.
do that stuff.
Peace.
Like it feels like sand. What a Battersea ride. A bigger sip than I meant to take.